Hey, what's up? Hello, I'm Jamira Payne, intuitive tarot mentor and human design guide, and I'm so excited to share with you one of my new mini courses, Human Design for Anxious Beings, how to use human design to manage your anxiety and start living the life that you want to live. The workshop will consist of 4 individual sessions, 45 minutes each, where we will break out your human design chart into bite-sized actionable chunks that you can start using truly as soon as you probably start using it during the first session, like not even after the first session is over. So the first week we will be going through your human design type, which is your archetypal energy within the human design system. It's much like saying I'm an INFJ or I'm an Aquarius or I'm a Enneagram 3. It's just your energy for the human design system, and it really tells you how you lead and really the energetic role that you play in this lifetime. The second week, we will cover your strategy and authority, which is one of my favorite parts about human design. I think it's one of the most interesting things to start experimenting with. Your strategy and your authority are really the decision-making guide that human design provides for you based on your human design type that we learn about in the first week. The third week, we will go over your profiles and your incarnation cross, which are kind of like your personality and the story that you are here to play out within your life, or your like soul's mission. And the final week, we will be covering your gates, channels, and your centers, which these 3 make up really your energetic switchboard. It really shows what energies you have consistent and inconsistent access to as you walk throughout your daily life. Because human design is an archetypal personality based system like astrology, the Enneagram, Myers-Briggs, it's such a great way to learn about your strengths, your challenges, your soul's path, your soul's mission, but also gain that perspective of how you specifically are designed to make decisions and to know what is correct for you, and how energy specifically for you moves throughout your body, and what processes and questions you can ask yourself to move that energy throughout your body so you can go on with your day. I know for myself, learning that I'm a 1-3 self-projected projector has really helped me manage a lot of my anxiety and burnout. I guess I always knew I burnt out easily, but I didn't know how easily that happened until I found human design and really started connecting with my body and myself. I used to wake up with anxious stomach pains almost every single day, and sometimes it would last throughout the entire day, and I had no way to process any of those emotions. And through a lot of different systems and hard work, but a lot of human design, a year later, I now rarely wake up with anxious stomach pain. And if I do, I can manage it usually within 30 minutes. It does not take up my entire day nearly as often. I can't even remember the last time it did. So I really want to help other people, other anxious beings, learn how to connect with themselves, with their bodies, and manage their anxiety, because you don't have to be dealing with that every morning or every night or any time throughout your day. It doesn't have to eat up all of your time. If you are someone who is already into astrology and other personality typing tests, or you're a perfectionist who's kind of anxious but has big dreams and want to learn how to manage your anxiety so you can reach those dreams and goals, I would love to have you sign up for the crash course. We start at the end of November. You can find my email address in the description box and email me any questions. Otherwise, there is a Google form to fill out and I will get you signed up. Thanks, and I'll see you in the course. Bye.